Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on YouTube. So YouTube channel is beneficial because it means you can upload custom thumbnails, and it also means you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes along with other benefits as well. The first thing you need to do is go to the top right of YouTube, and you have to tap on your profile picture here and then simply tap on this YouTube studio. Once you are on your YouTube studio, to go and verify your channel, you need to go to the bottom left and tap on this gear icon or settings, and here we are. Once you are here, you have to select channel, and then you have to select this future eligibility option as you can see here. Now as you can see, most people are going to have the standard feature automatically enabled. We want to go to the intermediate features and go and verify this to get access to it. As you can see, we are eligible for it first. So go and expand this by pressing on this arrow, and then you will go and see the benefits we get by doing it. We get longer videos, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. Let's go over to the right hand side, and as you can see, we need to go and verify our phone number. So let's go and verify phone number. Now you need to go down here and select your country, and then you have to enter your phone number here. And this is just to make sure you are not a robot, as you can see at the top here. Once you have done that, you have to tap on this get code, and then as you can see, it says text message with your verification code has been sent, and that's my number up there. So now all you need to do, you have to enter in just like this, and once you have entered it, it shouldn't take long. It's only 6 digit. Go and tap on submit like so, and there we go. And then your phone number will be verified. And then if you go back to feature eligibility, you will see intermediate features will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.